Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Martinez. On Instagram and Facebook, you know me as Crafty Heart Creations. And today I'm here to talk to you about the new Platinum Curidas. So here it is, the Platinum Curidas. It has a clear demonstrator body. This particular color is their Gran Red, which is deep and rich in contrast to the silver fittings. As you can see, the body itself has a very unique look, especially with this knob at the end. And that actually is its best feature because this pen is retractable. The body itself is nice and thick. You get a good grip. It's a one-handed maneuver to get the nib out and start writing. And plus, at the tip of the pen, you can see this little trap door. Which prevents the ink from drying. So even if you don't write with it every day, the moment you bring it out and start writing, the pen doesn't pause. It starts inking right away. So the clip itself, I was worried about. I thought maybe it would be in the way. But it's so low profile, it's not. It sits very well in my hands, whether I'm hand lettering or just journaling. But if you don't like it, there's a tool that comes with it, and you just slip it underneath and push this downward, and then it's out of your way. So let's take a look inside. And as you can see, it slides around and then comes right up. So you ink this the way you would any other fountain pen. And then bring it through this little pathway. Very easy. So next up, I'm going to show you some examples of how this beautiful pen writes for me.